Welcome everyone to our channel for another video. So today we are gonna share the process of 3D printing red lantern and the yoga girl ring in an FDM printer. Overall the print quality is not bad after all, and I like the quality. So maybe you can say thumbs up for the yoga girl, but thumbs down for the red lantern, because the red lantern print quality I liked it, yeah, but the color I had just made some blunder, maybe due to the brush painting. It's not a very good choice after all. Maybe we could use the airbrush for better look and feel. Never mind. But as per the size, I had scaled out the diameter of the thumb and the index finger, though I had failed for first 2-3 prints, but yeah, I later succeeded. So overall it's not that much competitive as compared to the SLA, DLP or the LCD printer, but yeah, it's not bad after all, printing in an FDM printer with 0.4 mm nozzle. And let's see the process.